Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete duplicates on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. Here I have these two duplicates and I want to delete them. If you can spot your duplicates, you can delete them manually by just selecting them and click on delete, or right click on them and you will have delete cells that are selected. If you have like a big range of data, like have hundreds of rows, all you will need is to use an extension that is called the remove duplicates. To add this extension or the add-on, we will go to extension menu, add-ons, get add-ons. Here in the search bar, we will just type remove duplicates and you will install this remove duplicates. Then after installing it, you will have it added in the extension here. Now we will click on find duplicates and we will go and uh, and choose our range of data like this. Next, and then we will find duplicates and then next, and either you want to fill the color, but in my case I want to delete them. So now I can delete the row within selection. So I will finish, and at the end I want to have these two items has been found and colored. So now it has started and find my duplicates. So either you can so I didn't selected this choice, that's why it didn't delete it. So let's do again the same operation, and now they have been deleted. As you can see, 3 duplicates rows have been found and deleted. So this is how you delete your duplicates. Thank you for watching and goodbye.